Namaste. Everything we do at WAGO is built around our core philosophy of empowering connections. The guiding principle of customer centricity has always inspired us to make usage of WAGO products simpler, faster, safer, and sustainable. WAGO was founded in 1951 in Germany. Since its foray into the Indian market in 1995, WAGO India is on a constant growth path with a double-digit growth spanning over a decade. Product quality, a hallmark of our German lineage, surpasses global quality standards and has made brand WAGO a well-established name in India. Recognizing the importance of India not only as a user market but also as a global manufacturing hub, we started our production facility in Vadodara in year 2021. Make in India is not merely a slogan for us, but our way of life and a promise fulfilled to India. Electronics manufacturing is now a focused industry for India, and WAGO is already playing its part. Watch out for new, best-in-class, energy-efficient electronic products which will be manufactured at our Vadodara works. Environment-friendly Vadodara works is spread over 1 lakh square meter and is ready to cater to domestic as well as global demand. It allows us to enhance our product portfolio for Indian market, offer new technologies faster, and facilitate early adoption by Indian users. WAGO, with its 18 sales offices and over 100 channel partners across India, serves the industry with a comprehensive range of electrical interconnection, interface electronics, automation control products, and solutions. We deliver reliable solutions for diverse industry sectors such as elevators and escalators, building and lighting, automotive, railways, marine and offshore, power engineering, and mechanical engineering. WAGO is proud to be the backbone of this smart, connected world. Jai Hind.